8. Solve the equations 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 20, equation 1. 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 26, equation 2. 3x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 31, equation 3. Subtracting equation 2 and equation 3, we have y plus z is equal to 5, equation 4. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, we have 6x plus 9y plus 12z is equal to 60. 6x plus 8y plus 10z is equal to 52. By subtracting y plus 2z is equal to 8, equation 5. Subtracting equation 4 and equation 5, we have z is equal to 3. Putting the value of z in equation 4, we have y plus 3 is equal to 5, or y is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now putting the value of y and z in equation 1, we have 2x plus 6 plus 12 is equal to 20, or 20x plus 18 is equal to 20, or 20x is equal to 20 minus 18 is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. Answer.